Guys, what's up? So I saw this trend on TikTok and I've been wanting to try it. It's basically where you try different aesthetics until you find one that you like for your own. So I'm starting with e-girls. I even covered the tail of my eyebrow to give that drag iconic look they have with some Elmer's liquid glue. I didn't have the glue stick, so I used the liquid concealer and powder. Like, it's the dedication for me. I don't know about you guys, but it's the dedication for me. Blend in upward motions, take it really far up, and don't be shy, put some more, okay? Go crazy, go stupid with the blush, and yeah, don't do this, okay? I saw this hack from a recently e-girl tutorial from Hannah, and it didn't really work for me. So, white eyeliner, if I'm not mistaken, and around the nose to really make it really detailed, but it didn't work. So I ended up taking it out with my shirt. So yeah, it's way more ideal if you use white concealer for that part. And then in this part, I made the freckles with an angled brush. I used the sharp end, and not gonna lie, super proud of how that turned out. Then here with the eyeliner, you connect your lower lash line with your top in one eyeliner. I don't know if that makes sense. I hope it does. But you just kind of make a transition between them. And as you can see on the top of my nose, I have a small white line, as the recent e-girl tutorial said. Hannah added that to make the nose really highlighted, kind of pointy. So I liked it. I think it was really cute, so why not? And I had a mental breakdown with the lower lash line. Like, I was switching between eyeliners. Here I used a thin matte one. But I know you're gonna do better than me. I just know it. Are you a coffee or a hot chocolate person? I already asked this in my Instagram, but I'm genuinely curious. I want to love coffee, but I don't know, it's the strong flavor to me. But I think I just want to love it for the aesthetic, you know, because like, waking up in the morning and just drinking coffee. Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. Okay, I'll stop. You know, for the aesthetic, you know, just go to Starbucks with your laptop and drink some coffee, some iced coffee. I don't know, that sounds kind of dumb, but yeah. All of the makeup brands I used will be listed in the description. Here I used a water activated liner for the lower lash line, give the appearance of a big eye, kind of say like that, and you're done. You're finally done. Sorry for this long tutorial. Hope you liked it, hope you loved it, and peace out.